In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find gold ore in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. The fastest way to find gold ore in Minecraft is to mine at the right depth and to search in the right biome. If you are in the overworld, head down until you reach Y level -16. This is one of the best levels for finding gold ore, so it is a strong place to begin your search. Before you dig straight down, make sure you do it safely. Use a staircase or a branch-style tunnel so you do not fall into lava or a deep cave. Once you reach Y-16, start exploring the area around you. You can either move through nearby caves or begin strip mining at that level. Both methods work, and the better option depends on what you find first. If you come across a cave, follow it and check the cave walls, floor, and ceiling carefully. Gold ore can be exposed in open stone, and caves let you cover a large area quickly. Make sure you place torches if needed, and watch for hostile mobs while you search. Keep your pickaxe ready and mine any gold ore you spot along the way. If you do not find a useful cave, start strip mining at Y-16. Dig a main tunnel, then create side tunnels to expose as many blocks as possible. This increases your chances of uncovering gold ore without wandering too far off course. Stay at the same depth as you mine, because that is where gold ore is most common in the overworld. There is also one important biome that makes gold much easier to find. If you are in a Badlands biome, focus your search there. Gold ore generates much more frequently in Badlands than in most other overworld biomes. That means you can often find it faster, even without mining for as long. If you have access to a Badlands biome, it is one of the best places in the game to collect gold ore efficiently. So the basic process is simple. Go to the overworld, mine down safely to Y-16. Then search caves or strip mine at that level. If you are in a Badlands biome, prioritize that area because gold ore appears more often there. Follow these steps and you will have a much better chance of finding gold quickly in Minecraft 26.1.2. That covers everything you need to know.